If you're applying to Vista Equity Partners, you probably already know that the competition for every open position is fierce. It doesn't matter if you graduated from a target school, finished a BB internship, or polished a perfect resume. To get invited for the interview rounds, you must pass the challenging CCAT test with a very high score. Hi, I'm Abel from JobTestPrep. In this video, I'll show you what to expect on this exam and on the personality test that follows, and give you tips and tricks to increase your chances of scoring high on both tests. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the basics. The CCAT is the first hurdle on Vista's hiring process, and it's usually sent right after you pass the initial resume screening. This test is unproctored and can be taken online from anywhere. That being said, for some positions you'll need to take an additional proctored CCAT test, which is supervised either by a webcam or in person. This means that you should avoid cheating in any way, such as using a calculator, which is not permitted. That's because you'll need to score in the same range on the proctored version. Now, let's get to know the test inside out so you'll know exactly what to expect. The CCAT includes 50 questions to be completed in 15 minutes, which makes it 18 seconds per question. The test has three main topics: math and logic, verbal skills, and spatial reasoning. Every question that you answer correctly counts as 1 point, and there's no penalty for wrong answers, so the maximum score is 50. The truth is that less than 1% manage to answer all 50 questions correctly. And while Vista doesn't expect you to get a perfect score, you do need to score extremely high and get at least 40 questions right to be invited for an interview. Moving on, let's see some sample questions from the test, as well as tips to answer faster and get more questions right. The first thing you should know is that the questions become increasingly difficult as the test progresses. Practically speaking, this means that at the beginning of the test, you might face questions that take no more than 15 seconds to answer. But as you advance, you'll see questions such as the following, which might take twice the time and even more. That's why you should try to work super fast at the beginning and slow down later, so that you have enough time for harder questions. By the way, the solutions for the previous sample questions appear in the description below. The next thing that can be very useful and help you cut down solving time is using shortcut techniques. There are many efficient techniques, and we covered the most helpful ones in our study guide, which can be found in the complete CCAT prep course. But let's drill down into one popular technique that's called making estimations using an anchor. Check out this question for example. The full solution path will require quite complex calculations that will cost you precious seconds on the test. To reduce the solving time, we can use an anchor. This anchor is a comfortable number that's easier to work with and enables us to quickly compare and eliminate answer choices. 200% of 350 equals 700, and now we have an anchor, which is 700. Next, we'll compare the anchor with the answer choices and decide which of them is the correct answer using estimations. We know that the correct answer must be a bit more than 700. Option A is lower than 700, so it's immediately eliminated. We can estimate that option B is too near to 700, and option D is too far from 700. Therefore, the correct answer must be option C. If you want to see more sample questions with solutions and solving tips to answer faster, make sure you watch our video about the 5 most common CCAT question types. Now, the last thing I'm going to cover is something that's often overlooked by candidates, but it's as important as scoring high on the CCAT. And I'm talking about the Vista Equity Partners personality test. For many positions at Vista, you'll need to pass a personality test right after you complete the CCAT. The assessment is made up of 140 items and takes about 10 minutes to complete. For each statement, you will have to choose a response on a scale of 1 to 5, from always true to always false. Using these statements, The personality test measures your work behaviors and how you likely interact with coworkers and clients. Here are a few examples of statements that you most likely see on the real test. I believe that life is a big game to be played to win. I have difficulty understanding abstract ideas. I am able to keep moving after experiencing failure. Note that the instructions at the beginning of the test will tell you that there are no right and wrong answers. From our experience of prepping thousands of candidates for the personality assessments, we know that the opposite is true. There are right and wrong answers. That's because the assessment is used for screening purposes and in order to find candidates who are the right fit for the job. As a result, this test has favorable responses that you need to choose to pass it successfully. To help you with that, we created personality test simulations as well as study guides that show you what happens behind the scenes on these tests. You can find them in our complete test prep course. If you'd like to get more information and expert tips on the Vista Equity Partners assessments, try a free sample test, and access the full study course, make sure to visit our dedicated page. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments below or send me a direct email. That's all for today. Good luck on your Vista assessment tests!